Hi guys, so another day, another errand. So as you can see, currently I ko sa office because I'm currently auditing the branches and pabrika nyo ko! Nag-nursing man ko gani, para wala ko accounting shiz, pero oh my gosh, ako ba lang ina-compute ko, IV rate, drops sa IV per minute, per second, per day, per bottle, oh my gosh, subong yung accounting. Importante, mastartan ko lang kay, oh my gosh, yun kinatamad ko yung trip ko lang mag-video because my hair is super dry. Yes, I know, and it's currently super long. So, anong secret sa super long hair ko? Bramod. Yes, I'm currently using my eyeglasses. Kay Gigina. I just found out na may gisi ang akong contact lens kag hindi ko na may-use. So I have to purchase another set of contact lenses. Isa pa lang kabulan. Ay, ang kuripot self ko. Gagawa na naman. Kaya ko niya. Kaya ko ni. Yes, guys. Magpa-haircut ko or na. Feeling ko need ko magpa-haircut. Magpa-haircut ko tani last time. Sa Elise, shout out Marilyn Dermidog. Dragin ko ga pa-haircut. And ang nails ko is by Elise. Loyal Elise customer ko. Kaso, kay nag-resign ng ilang hairstylist. So, ano na ito? Hairstylist or hair cutter? Ako niya brain cells. Very good. Basta gusto ko lang yun magpa-trim. Then tawa below. So, ka wrong na good. So, amo na. Bye.